Oh, what about like ass eating?
They're into it and they like to get it too. So, yeah.
When I go like, I never really get it, but one time I go around there like,
Yeah,
I hold you, it made me smile. And I was so ashamed of myself.
Why would you be ashamed?
I'm like, why do I like this?
What's up, party? Wash what a brother? No,
you know it's Warlord representing WatchYahNow. The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's WatchYahNow, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! WatchYahNow.
WatchYahNow, Jaii Frais, host of the Let's Be Honest podcast and also Toxic Talk. A video of the host recently resurfaced the internet and it's making rounds on the social media and going viral. And that's courtesy of Pretti. And when the video you can hear Jaii Frais say, him and him girl do them thing and somewhere somehow our tongue reach round a female end and him surprisingly like it. You get to me and say people. So personally, I'm not busy boy go on inside a man bed between him and him woman or between him and whoever. You know what I mean? But when I make it public, you don't know the public. I gotta give them opinion. You get to me and say people. And one of the very first person to give them opinion was the straight boss himself, Footah Hype, where he took to Instagram, where he posts this. Me there patiently waiting for see which artist and which selector will say them straight and them a bad man still I go perform a party where the promoter I say out of him mouth say him like him body play with. And for all who don't know which party Footah Hype at but obviously DJ Mac and Jaii Frais keep them birthday party which is the 9th, you see me, which is this Saturday. You know what I mean, people? And you can hear the selector, which is Footah Hype, say, he want to say which artist, so say them a bad man and which selector go play it. You know what I mean? And you can see the two artists them were actually headline for perform at the party is Chronicler and also Valiant. Footah Hype also went on to caption that post. Make me look and see what really I got blood clot go on. Footah Hype, you know easy, you know. Now the very first comment I see when I went to the comment section was a comment from reggae dancehall artist I-octain. Him said Jaii Frais, shaky, fish 90% of them boy they bend up time. Anyway, make me see if Walk and Talk I go back upon the program at Footah Hype. Someone else also commented at I-octain, but that interview was done before Walk and Talk started being a co-host. I'm sure it's not gonna stop now. And they say Footah Hype reply, if him not stop, him gone. John was star. It's serious, no joke, no night. Just see me a laugh. So WatchYahNow people, I'm gonna play the clip. I Pretti and I actually play the clip. I make it hear as see what go on. Is it? WatchYahNow.
Oh, what about like ass eating?
They're into it and they like to get it too. So, yeah.
When I go like, I never really get it, but one time I go around there like,
Yeah,
I hold you, it made me smile. And I was so ashamed of myself.
Why would you be ashamed?
I'm like, why do I like this?
Because it's nice.
You think so?
It's nice. I have a tingling feeling, so.
It did. It fucking did.
Yes, so. Jamaican.
Am I wrong for that? You sure? It felt so wrong.
It's not wrong.
It felt so wrong.
Pussy one. When me tell the whole of the same my body man. The whole of the time, where that? Everybody body man feel. Any boy will make a girl lick out him body will and play with any part of him rectum, a body boy. Any boy will comfortable with any kind of body activity, man or girl a play in your body wall, you're fish. Me I tell you that no man at all, you like your G-spot, bro. Yeah, you know what is your G-spot because you make girl a play in your G-spot. You make a girl them gooshy and douche, me G. You fish me general. No real man. No bumbuckler real man. I make no girl lick out them body hole. it went around there. And it felt so, it felt so wrong. Am I wrong for this? Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Your body boy, my general. Anybody likings where you go out with. Why? For your blood clot. Z, XYZ, your bumbo hole. You want fish, me G. Big swim around, me God. No joke, my father, swamp water you swimming on my boy. You understand me? No girl at all, no push them tongue in a body hole. Body hole is not for tongue. And they say a lesbian, you know, they look over here. You're a lesbian. Bumbo clad! He don't say him like it. I know one time when an accident pussy will let all lie. You love when girl. Atlanta, the boy did live in a paper. The boy did live in Atlanta, up at the Batty County. You understand me? Up there's a whole Batty man get loose. You see what day you hear your man tell us him a move go Georgia? Yep, him gone. Dead to the man them, you know. You want to hear your man say, oh, I'm moving to Georgia. Batty him a go fuck. Him believe in a Batty activity. From once you move go Georgia as a man, you're a fish. You understand? Up there you can get loose. Because up there some girl go lick out your body wall, man go lick out your body wall. Up there so anything good. Everything good, bro. You understand me? When you go up at them places, everything curry down, my father. You see me I say? Everything accepted. That's why your wife must have left you. She never want to lick out your body wall no more. Hey! Dog, you have to be careful, my father.
Remember the link in the bio. The link in the bio is a special link. The price is not the other price. You understand? Yeah. So remember them little thing, the dog. And I always remember, say, bro, when you're there at the top, people are gonna throw stones, but it's hard for reach the top. You understand? I always remember that. But if you have anything you want to talk about before I leave, I'll talk about it. You understand? So it is what it is, bro. Yeah. Cause you don't know. Yeah, man, that's forward, man. Stone can't connect. Chris, what you deal with? And you know, I never understand with some people, bro. It's like, me will post something that I am comfortable with, and somebody will try to use it against me as if I never me post it. You know what I mean, dog? You know when somebody go in your phone and find something and leak it, would I understand that? Me I say, yo, you know, really go in my private life and that should have there a road. But if me say anything a road, I always remember I'm stand pan. So who want vex, just vex. It's simple as that. Simple as that. I never get that yet, dog. It's like if me forward out and say, yo, me I want thief. Yo, y'all want thief. I told you I'm a thief. Oh. You know what I say? No, if me a thief, I'm gonna put on the mask and the gloves and everything, and you find out now. No so Scooby-Doo go. Yeah, them no want the ghost be known, and the ghost is somebody around here. Yeah. But me I make you know say yo, and this what me I do. Yeah. So I just never get it sometime, man. I always remember Richard and all of Uno. Well, the Unos, who is Uno, I remember something live good. Even with them one curtain, I always remember that, alright?
Now, people, as I can hear Jaii Frais, him sound unapologetic, as he may say. So basically, him say, him released the clip, as he may say, if him never want people know that him could have edit out that part, as he may say, which nobody wouldn't hear that part if him never want it to be out. You get to me and say, people, yeah, and that's fair, you know what I mean? But Jaii Frais, what me want to know, what you mean by, you know what I mean, we are a woman that go on with that thing, and you see me? So basically, what you said accidentally happened to you, it never purposely, which you can say, Pretti don't believe you, me don't believe you, and any viewers who are view this right now, not believe you. You get to me and say, oh, our tongue accidentally reach round on your rear end, brother. You see me? Alright, now, when it comes to a woman, you know, say a woman vagina, you're closer to. a rectum than a man, you see me I say, penis, the closer to him. You know what I mean? Rear end. You see it? So, there's no way she could have, you know what I mean? I give her head and her tongue reach around the brother. You see me I say, nobody don't believe that. You see me? I wish she did though. Give her headers from back way. You see me I say, nobody don't believe that, brother. You see me I say, if I something you like, just come out and say something you like. You see me I say, alkaline say it. Alkaline say, I love it. You see me? And the way you go on and I did like it and I can't believe how you see me? I move all girly and all of them something with the brother. You see me? It make you sound suspect. It make you look, you see me? Kinda wiggle tail. You know what I mean by wiggle tail? Is it yeah. You know what I mean? Fishy. Is it, brother? Yeah, it sound like you like when, you know what I mean, like Footah Hype say, you like get your rear end play with, your bottom play with, brother. Is it? There's no way that's an accident of something where you love. And if you just come out and talk it, you see me? And if the people them want to beat you, them beat you. And if them not want to beat you, them not beat you. If them not want to busy with a lifestyle, like personally, let me say, I don't busy with a man lifestyle. You see me? Once I make it public, you know what I mean, people can give them opinion. You see me? And that's just me being honest. You see me? If we are being, let's be honest. You get to me and say, brother, yeah. And they say, the brother, you see me and say, you like get the bottom play with, and just say it. Stop. Go around the bush. You see me? She can't get her headers from back way, brother. And that would have worse and make you look suspect. You get to me and say, but yeah, man, people. Leave in the thoughts in the comment section. Tell me if you don't believe what Jaii Frais say. You see me? And yes, it is an old clip, people. And nothing new. And put it out there in the world for the people them give them opinion. Probably them never give them opinion. Them time they are make a big deal out of it. Because basically the show is just a startup. Him never really at. You get to me and say? Him at right now, him dip on top. People are trying to throw a stone. People are trying to pull him down. And him richer than him richer than enough of we know. Isn't he really richer than me? Yeah, I know that for sure. And him richer than enough of the artists them because him love come like him love you use that richer than something there, you know. Cause a couple of times I hear him with it now. And at the end of the day, you see me? If you all live good, brother, just live good, you see me? I love to see when get the youth rise for real and I do better. You get to me and say, but you don't know humble beginnings, brother. You see me? Stop throwing around the world and I say, I'm richer than you. I don't know talk. And I go, I'm richer than you. But you see me, you're a public. You see me, you're in the public eyes. You see me, so, you know what I mean? Anything you do, good or bad, you see me, the public, I gotta talk about it. You see me, and that's just the way it is. That's what you sign up for, that's your job. You get to me and say, so, yeah, don't feel offended, don't feel no way. You see me and say, yeah, it's not. You know what I mean? It's not normal for somebody just come out and say, oh, them like get the better play, but you are said accidentally and you know what I mean? Yeah. Shaky, brother. But anyway, you see me and say, me rant long enough. You see me and say, people, all the thing, couldn't think Jaii Frais a try sell with something what we nah buy. You see me? Yeah, him can't go around what him say. Him could just say what him say, mean what him say. All what him say, him stand on it. You see me and say, so him put it out there. But always just a like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates on the videos. Banging, watch out now.